nyine projects mushanju niza kubanza niyo kubanza yashoreliza collab yanjye na Megaton Majeta Diary it's out on my YouTube channel Chanali Official then nyine ni kwetenga impapura 2MB Sakata Chirabyo. They're very good projects, you can listen to them. Mkoku abagambire I'm a new star and I believe it. Nimashaba supporting them mugume hamwe in terms of music kana nyemiza college kubasa kurimna the best music in the world. Obunuzi ni winji nkwina halist Lipstick nkwina mubiri oli massively no muloli massively onula tulitambi tintidi tulitambi tintidi tulitambi tulitambi onula tulitambi 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 tulitambi.
And I'm begging, I'm requesting you support her. She's still a young girl. She's still a young girl and she still has a very long way to go. But thank you so much. I request you support us, you support her. Thank you so much.
Nimbasima mwena kuja ukambanze urafata kasoda kanye bantu utaka ukore ibintu atikoze yayi mukabara nazo neza kwishati nimbaza kubatangira mina bakoroga mwena hamwe kana niye kubari bakona ate chatleta wako kubanjurira umwesho nguzana shana rabina ishongora kandi turiko munyake bibiri tutereza shanari konkari kushoma byari bize ato musi kushinga ukache tumura yange tumuze shumashongoza rika so mwesho nguzikaye zeshoma twajamo tumuri kandi mwe mukireba abanywantu bandi promotions bashimpa nabandi mukireba ngutinde mu kurabura kwabeshongoza babishije Western region tubakotana uri kubayisha yashongoraho zo wa promoter Gerard abeshongoza bito mbamanya binji bakijamo bagaruka baruka ushanga beshongoza challenges studio zirimo class kandi kumanya muri abishye bwo bakuza kuri recording byashongoro bazo aba producer babinora aba producer inongera bakucinga studio zabo harimo na kapeta atashanga bare mesabishi bitweshongo Compete indasubira mu kibazo cy'akasha nari akwa bukimwe cy'inde video massive tujine mu kireba producer wa video biko mureba na wajya so promoter ndaha bari bakimu shanali exception why the chance kandi company yamba yungamba kandi bategire mu mwe cyangwa ekatubanjiro mweshongozi undijo kandi mukunde rero umutambuza bareke tutereke shongo aho kandi mutumanye ko yajya umweshongo kabari no kwakira ku rukuru umweshongo sanana ndamani kandi tujyaho garuka tubanye n'abagiye amanje kugira ngo bunde echo abanda nantachikoze umuntu nzizo na WhatsApp chikoze ubwabo cyane tinyinji iyo no kubasha bakugera mwe nako kumwisha nkagire shanari aho ramugana umongereyo umwe no umwe finances zibaso kutamara n'igenda ngo zibaso kutamara kuba kandi twakunde tubasa ko ihayo tweye ushange twagira aho twabasa kubandika kabari zabanjura promoter we bibina kandi aho mwikize kugamba ngo na wajeshi y'abakanda for your love, loyalty, focus, and everything. Before you respect, kindly accept her. She's well talented, so articulate. Love what she does. Back anywhere, just looking forward and to politely allow me to end there.
Pray, and I'm begging, I'm requesting you support her. She's still a young girl. She's still a young girl and she still has a very long way to go. But thank you so much. I request you support us, you support her. Thank you so much. Mwebale mnonga.
Kandi ndekuko banga missionary ninye namureta nsima
so cyashemeza munonga kushanga twa meeting aha nyonko ngomba promoter kuba namara mu myaka mingi on promotion okuyaho nshangire twine mu western ikikuzibara kukura twine mita maryingi twine mo kutere bukono twine mu rugambo na nitamo so eto nani nchibashapa nkabaria ako banyonga beshongoza binja kunkwasiro tine musteri orapire nangwana chukuru onkani nchikora gukunda western music wachireba nimpamye ni mwabana ako banka munkuba ninsindikira posters zanje promoting ebyivuru nati kuba twine tino nkukira kukereza sense onka bamwe binde mwitamo ala nani nchabangwe chintecho tuchihemu ako kutwayetera nda twashanga nko tukwatana satuti omweshongoza hato kwa karete cheshongoro twena tukachikwata nsanga ba promoter mazimiti ntuchikwata yo machireba secho nani nchibashaba nkaba promoter batahi banje kugira ngo tuchikwasaganye ituma turgihemu obutorarebe yashoboza kantu tukapostinge tukasharinge tumugambe ho kurungi kandi na hako banakora ko biki tushashita kurugamo yemerero mugambire umwanya wo kumuto mukambiro kagiye tukonka mwe nanka kore akozara manyanga yemerero mugambiro tukonka mwana ikintu cyaburaburamu ode kintu cyaburaburamu umuhabure kugira ngo akore ikintu kugera ki ekikurugayo on behalf of Shanari nimbasima abapostingire ninjira kuba nimba following ambareba mwe hati mube mutaka mumanyiriki tukaguma tumurabyo ko nyuma mpora abo kugira ngo akakiri umwana wishomera twatina ngo mwe bataka tukoma ngo mwe twamuturubuza munonga so konka it's time now mbona nimbashaba nkaba promoters nkaba bloggers ngaba blogger kandi mwine kibina cyami umwestani mwine kibina cyami umwe mwabe mwagira mental rotaro ko atezirimo mwabare kugareba ko zikabatero
twine ntari
twanga hatiye mwabare kugereza hata turiste norango kibine kimwe ni cyegombe
mental no zetadisa
so mbona nimbashaba nkaba bloggers na promoters mwena mwashiro mushoko mu mugambe hoje ko kumbani ndamukora interviews mu mugambe hoje mutunde bye shongoro bye twatanise umukumutungura ko twamubanjurira abamwembe mutaka mumanyira namwe batakumangu no mweshongozi konka from today twamubanjurira no mweshongozi ibyo shongoro bye birwaha abinja bataka bwine mutahe nabyo kandi ibyo shongoro byo nabyine video ebishanari yashogwiza mbena nimbashaba nko wa massive mumwakire kandi ko kumupromotinga abandi nawe mutungura kahigo abo kuba music ya ine ninunje munonga omuru mumuronda ku Inov West chikantepo chizikepo talent agine echo chone chine echo mwetagisa kubasa kubana abo ku Inov West atu mutagaka kurangiza handi mumurebe we mbere wo mwatungura mutego umwanya asagara nimbasima mabare munonga kandi kumurakora echo kama bampero muki
okay we bari munonga MC Katara kandi ari kuruga management ya Massive Records kuruga aha radio yabira kuju yiwa kweta Great African Radio kandi ho no wambara TV